Enjoy your beautiful, spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa with a 2-car garage. Situated on one of the most private lots at the end of the street that is surrounded by green space. This large floor plan lives like a single-family home. Master suite includes a built-in window seat, master bath features separate garden tub and shower. Offers 1-year-old roof, as well as new air conditioner and appliances in the last few years. The fees cover cable, internet, water, lawn/land maintenance, exterior pest control, exterior insurance for the building and more. Amenities include community pool, tennis courts, pickleball, exercise room and clubhouse. The sanctuary at Blue Heron is conveniently located just minutes to restaurants, shopping and I-75. With a short drive to 5th Avenue and #X2019, wonderful shopping, world-class dining and white sandy beaches.